Hello, my name is Herman and today I will be covering some advanced features for Vim. So let's get started by opening the file that I created for this screencast called advanced features txt. Great. The first topic we're gonna cover is indentation. To indent the current line, we're just gonna press colon followed by the greater than or smaller than sign twice. To unindent that same line, we're gonna press colon followed by the smaller than or greater equal sign twice as well. If we want to indent the next 5 lines, then you'd press 5 or like the desired number, followed by the greater than or smaller sign twice, and you see how indented. This feature of adding a number before a command will generally do the command that you are going to enter next that amount of times. Great. If you want to auto indent the whole file, just press G twice followed by the equal sign and then capital G. This is going to work for programming files where indentation is very important. To auto indent the current line, we'll just press colon equals by the equal sign twice. Remember that indentation can be done in visual mode. So if we enter the visual mode and select the lines that we want to indent, and then the greater than or smaller sign twice, we see how it auto indents it. Perfect. Great. So let's move on to writing. If you want to save all the files that you're working with, just press colon followed by WA. If you want to save and exit all the files that you're working with, just press colon followed by X and A. And if you want to close all the files without making any changes, just press colon QA followed by the exclamation mark. Great. Let's move to navigation, a very important part of Vim. If you want to navigate to the top of the screen, just press capital H. You can see how the cursor is moving here. If you want to navigate to the middle of the screen, capital M, and to the end of the screen, capital L. If you want to navigate to the end of the line, you just press $, and you can see how the cursor here moved. If you want to navigate to the beginning of the line, just press 0. To navigate the cursor to the beginning of the file, just press G twice, or press capital G to move to the end of the file. Perfect. If you press colon followed by the word buffers, you'll see all of the files that you're currently working with. Currently, I'm only working in advanced features. If you want to open, let's say, that file, if you would have more, you will see this number here, and you would press buffers followed by that number, and it would open that current buffer or that file. When you have multiple files, you can navigate to the previous buffer by pressing Ctrl B. If you want to navigate to the next buffer, press Ctrl N. When you press Ctrl F, you'll navigate to the next screen, or in this case would be the last part of the file. Yep. If you want to create a new tab, like in the rest of the apps that you probably use, you just type colon followed by tab new, and we can see how we open a new file here. If we navigate to the next tab, just press GT, and to close that current tab, just exit it normally. A very important feature in Vim is splitting windows. It comes very handy when working multiple files at the same time, or just comparing different parts of the file. If you want to split a file horizontally, just type colon followed by split and the file name. So I'm gonna use a file that I used for the previous screencast called getting started txt, and now you can see how I can navigate in another file here. If you wanna exit this file or this window, just exit it normally by pressing Q. If you wanna split a window vertically, just type v split after the colon and the file name. Great. Here we can see how we can navigate between these two files. If you want to switch between these windows, let me just open to show you better. Let's see, open test. Great, so we have here 3 files. And let's say that you want to move up, down, or to the next window, so just press the normal navigation. So if you want to move to the left file, just press Ctrl H, and now we can see how we are navigating here. Ctrl L will move you to the left split window, and to go up, Ctrl K, down, Ctrl J. Perfect. Let's exit these two windows. In order to use another few useful commands would be if you press dot, you would use the last command. So let's say that we just indented this line and you want to do it again, just press dot and it indents it. And if you want to search a certain word in the file, such as one, just press the forward dash followed by the word that you're looking for. So let's say other, and you can see how it's highlighted there. Your Vim may not be highlighted. That's a preference that I set in my personal Vim RC file. I'll talk more about Vim RC and different plugins in next screencast, as well as we'll try to keep making screencasts with more advanced features. Thanks for watching, and yep, that's it.